able to make 100+% on a leverage trade on BidKit. Partner links down below. All kinds of valuable information. Multiple more videos to come a little bit later on today on the laptop as I get settled back in and overhauling my channel. And comment down below some of the things yes, you, my lovely, glowing, intelligent, smart audience that has made this station what it is today, if you can believe this already. It's been nearly 2 years. Me and you and all of these great listeners on YouTube have been doing this for nearly 2 years, educating ourselves for nearly 2 years, and learning and understanding the way a manipulated market works, acts, and see to spot and dissect and sidestep the fleecers and the shysters and the market manipulators and the paid promoters. Peace and love, and my deepest gratitude to you, my beautiful. VINCENZO'S Go Crypto Investing, bell notification, comment down below, and like the channel and share as we're on our road to 10,000 subscribers, and that starts with you. Looking right at you, my beautiful, lovely, intelligent, smart, interesting audience there. Hit that bell notification. It's free. Subscribe to the channel. Use my links down below. As you do know, I'm a BidKit partner, and we don't do a lot of trading on here, but we did have a phenomenally wild trade the other night on the XRP, and we did have somebody that joined the copy trade from XRP Future Millionaires channel, and he did post on there a beautiful 100 and some odd % gain. As you can see, the trade that we made. I don't have a lot of money. I don't do that much trading, but you can see 114. Mr. Wisconsin at gmail.com. I don't know how much money you made, but I believe you're the guy that was on there, and I believe we did fairly well for you on that trade, actually, which I'm proud of, as we did rack up. If we look at our trade, as I don't trade with a lot of money on here because I don't have a lot of time, but I do like to make small trades. But if we go into here, and then we get back out of there and we go into here, and then we click into my trade and history, you can see we made 109.9% on that trade. So that was a very good trade. It was up to 150%, but we had a stop loss at about 110%, just in case it stopped it out, and it did. But congratulations to Wisconsin at gmail.com. He was involved in that 107% trade, and congratulations to him. Congratulations to anybody else that had phenomenal trades based off of the technical analysis that you all individually have seen and based off the channel's technical analysis. And congratulations, and especially to Wisconsin at gmail.com. I'm glad and happy that after the 2 previous trades that I don't believe you were in because I didn't see your account go down, but we had 2 bad ones, and then we followed it up with a phenomenally well trade, and I'm very happy that he was able to profit immensely from that. And you can see the Bitcoin price now is sitting up here consolidating, sort of up in no man's land. And what I'm looking at here is we're either going to do out of this consolidation tonight, Sunday, but tomorrow's a holiday, so I'm off tomorrow, and I believe the stock markets are closed in celebration of MLK Day, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, right? A very good holiday for everybody to celebrate. A great man, great leader, right? But you can see if we pump up, we're likely to come up into here, this $23,000, $24,000 range. It's a major area of upper resistance, and we have a target up there. And then we have our max upper potential, which is up here, but for some reason, our price notes are all discombobulated. So we're going to have to go into the 4-hour time frame. See that? These are where all of our price labels are. So if we can zoom this in, we got to move the price over. You can see the 29,000 is here. The 24,000 is right here. And these are major areas of upper resistance. And you say, oh, Vincenzo, why is the 24,000 a major upper resistance? And all my subscribers, my lovely, beautiful, glowing subscribers, there's a reason that that's here. And you can see what we have up here. From the last breakdown, we have major upper resistance. Whoa, shit. Almost hit a fucking dryer on the side of the road there. But you can see right here, this is our last group of major upper resistance right there. See how it coincides with that $24,000 level right there? Notice after we broke out, how we broke out of this big rising bear flag there, big bear flag, right? We all know what the bear flags are. We've been in a bunch of them on this breakdowns over the last 12 months. Flagpole, flag, breakdown, right? But you can see where we had the breakdown from a triple top there. That's why that 24,000 is major upper resistance. And then the other elusive 29,799.43 is that major upper resistance, because this is the VP and ROD volume indicator, where when you're coming from it below, it acts as resistance. XRP's been coming at it from above. and it acts as support, right? So this would be your upper end, most bullish potential possible, but I am not forecasting that as of the current time until more data and more resources and more information comes into play. We are currently not forecasting a $29,000 price level. Why are you going 30 miles an hour on the freeway, sir? What are you doing? But what we are currently forecasting is that there's a chance that it gets up there. Where's my industry exclusive price node? Price node. Price node. Price node. Right there. 29,000 and change. But I do think what has a very real possibility of happening is we come up into this 24,000, the major old support zone. And what would be your first lower support would be this extenuation, this extension of the bear flag in the Bitcoin price. See that extension, how we extended that out into the future? We didn't change where it at. So on a breakdown, its first upper resistance will be just above that blue zone, right on top of that green line, and then the 19,049, right? And then if you fell through that, you would come knife. If you get into this below the moving averages, you'll shoot right back down. Just like you shot right back down through it there, and you shot right back up through it there. There's not a lot of trading within the middle of that blue trading area. It's either all at the top or all at the bottom. And you can see that how we consolidated all at the top there, and then we consolidated it all at the bottom underneath it. And there's very little resistance or support going up or going down through this blue trading zone. And that's exactly what I'm going to be watching out into the future. And comment down below to let me know what coins you guys want me to really get into. We're going to be overhauling the channel. We got a lot of big things coming the way I'm going to be producing and running this channel, as we need to start getting our game going. We need to step up our production, step up our entertainment value, and most importantly, step up the education and information on this station and the way it's presented and the way we handle ourselves, right? And we're going to be getting onto that. We're going to be starting a whole new revolution and a whole new way of doing business here with Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, as the time is now and it is much needed to have an overhaul on this station. We haven't really had any overhauls on this station since I came out. It's still going to be information-based, truth-based, integrity-based, and with the best information and sidestepping and exposing, most importantly, the YouTube charlatans and the moon boys and the paid promoters and the fleet heisters and shysters that aren't out there to look for your best. They're not out there looking at your best overall intentions for you. They're only looking at to enrich themselves. And my channel is going to be more based on now showing the truth, exposing the frauds, and preparing you for what's to come as we start to get near the midpoint and maybe start to potentially sometime in 2023 that we're still in the first month of, to try to figure out where bottoms are. We already have a bottom in XRP way down there, sitting there at June 2023 XRP bottom, somewhere between 4.5 and 9 cents, I believe, will be the XRP bottom. And we're going to really dig into how you start to really accumulate coins, and to where I think the next 2,500% bull run is going to come from. Actually, more than that. I think there could be a potential, if you play this right, in XRP, or with our industry exclusive measuring tool. If we go into our industry exclusive measuring tool, where's my, damn it, Frank, get my measuring tool out there. See, Frank's fucking asleep. Frank, my producer, is sleeping on the fucking job, and he didn't have my measuring tool up, so it delayed us. Apologize, Frank. Frank's sorry. But I think you could have a potential massive return of about 3,669 percent move in the next bull run, and it wouldn't break the 2021 high, but it would be good enough for 3,600% move from the XRP bottom. And I started to lay preliminary results and ideas on how I believe the bottom and the next bull run is going to work from mid to late 2023 through 2025, where I think somewhere in between there, the bottom's going to start to get in, and we're going to slowly dig our way out of. And I think as we work our way through the middle part of 2024 into 2025, there's going to be a massive bull run in there for XRP of on the order of 3,600% minimum. And I'm going to help you sidestep the fleet heisters and shysters that are telling you you're going to have a $10 XRP by 2026. I'm here to tell you that's not happening, but I'm still here to tell you how to exactly profit 3,600% as we overhaul the station. You're just above the 37 cent major upper resistance / support. We're going to try to hold it as support running into the 200-day moving average in blue, just below the 50 cents, just above the 37 cents. And as you can see, that red there's the VP volume indicator, and Bitcoin we're below it, so it's bearish. And XRP we still haven't broken down, so you can see several times it's bounced off of here, bounced once, bounced twice, bounced a whole bunch in there because it acts as bullishness when you're coming from above it. But eventually it's going to have too much resistance and sell pressure, and eventually you will break down past there. But 50 cents is still on an outside possibility on the next pump that you get here in the XRP price. But then I think you would get harshly rejected somewhere in that blue trading zone, just like you did back here, back in the fall time. The last time you were up there, it got harshly rejected and came down through until you came up to this beautiful consolidation and this little mini rally where we were able to make 100+% on a leverage trade on BitKit. Partner links down below, all kinds of valuable information. Multiple more videos to come a little bit later on today on the laptop as I get settled back in and overhauling my channel. And comment down below some of the things yes, you, my lovely, glowing, intelligent, smart audience that has made this station what it is today, if you can believe this already. It's been nearly 2 years. Me and you and all of these great listeners on YouTube have been doing this for nearly 2 years, educating ourselves for nearly 2 years, and learning and understanding the way a manipulated market works, acts, and see to spot and dissect and sidestep the fleecers and the shysters and the market manipulators and the paid promoters. Peace and love, and my deepest gratitude to you, my beautiful audience members.